Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, for this operation, you have to open your browser, which you normally use. Then you have to tap here, go to history, then tap clear browsing data. Firstly, you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, and the beginning of time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and autofill form data. And then you just tap clear data and the history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.